introduction about me, and let me show you some topics which I'm going to cover in EWM. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, please. Actually, I'm going to put it on mute, and if I have a question, I'll unmute and talk. Is it okay?
That would be great. My course content, which we can cover. And this course title is SAP External Warehouse Management, and it around 60 days if we have started each day 1 hour. And online it is GoToMeeting. And who can join SAP MM, WM and SD consultants. And we are going to go through all these topics like we have 15 chapters are there, 15 units. In the 15 units, first we will learn about what is extended warehouse management and how it connected each other. And we are going to see both the systems ECC and EWM, how it is connected, and what are the structures we are going to maintain, and what are the organizational units are going to be maintained, what's the master data, and monitoring things, how you monitor in the warehouse, monitor and RF, and goods receipt process. So we are going to cover almost 40 scenarios in goods receipt process, and almost these are all the processes, and we are going to see here 25 to 30 scenarios in goods issue processes. Our major coverage should be on the issue and goods receipt processes. And if you see the guard management also, we are going to see almost 5 to 6 scenarios, how it is going to work and how differently you can do it. And storage control is above of inbound and outbound and ad management, how the storage process control is going to work. And warehouse order creation rules, and posting changes in stock transfer, error, movements and replenishment, how it is going to work. Physical inventory, slotting and rearrangement. This is a new functionality what we have in EWM. It's not there in WM. And put away strategies and picking strategies. Kit to stock, kit to order, reverse kitting, TCD, opportunity cost stocking, and stock transfer between IM location and EWM location, EWM to EWM, initial stock entry, work center determination, replenishment process. All these things we are going to learn in the classes. So these are the topics. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
I believe I actually heard that there are a few new concepts in EWM, one of which you have already mentioned is slotting and rearrangement. And apart from that, I think I heard interleaving also, which is much more advanced in interleaving.
Okay, yes. And apart from that, process-oriented and storage control, layout-oriented storage controls are new steps, new things.
So are we going to cover on those topics too?
I'm sorry?
Are you going to cover those topics too?
Yeah. It's already mentioned above.
Okay. Sure. So this is going to be a 2 months course, as in 60 hours would be 2 months or more than 2 months?
Could be sometime more than 2 months, but we will try to cover all of them in 2 months if you can able to pick up fast. Otherwise, it will take 2.5 months.
Okay.
So based on your ability only, it's depending on that.
Yeah, of course. Sure. Yes. We can go ahead, please.
Yeah. And these are the things we can see that. and I think fees and everything will be discussed by uh, SOFTNSOL trainings, and he is going to explain how the fee structure and when you have to pay and what needs to be, uh, how much access, I mean, how many days access will be given. All these things will be discussed further, okay?
Yeah,
And we are having the slot right now in the evening as well as in the morning, 6 to
okay.
7 in the
I'm
morning, and
currently I'm currently working in the UK shift. I have clients in the UK, so I'll be from 1 to 10 in the office every day. So
Okay.
morning slot would be preferable for me.
6 to 7 is okay for you?
Yeah, sure. No, anytime in the morning.
Okay. So are you available this Saturday and Sunday?
That might be a little problematic because I keep traveling. Uh, but maybe I will skip a couple of classes, not on weekends, but maybe one.
No, not all the weekend. This weekend only.
Okay, this weekend only. No, I don't think I'll be available. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going out of station.
Okay, not a problem.
This is a long.
Right. So if you'd like to ask me to show one scenario, I'll show you one scenario now. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So let me. Right. Let me open my document. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Where is my document? It is not able to. Not able to see that. Give me a minute. Huh?
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry, I have a personal call. Okay. Let me share my screen, okay? This is the scenario which I'm going to show it to you. There is a truck has arrived in the inbound. Okay, Manish, are you there?
Yeah, I have placed the call on mute actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So if you have any questions, you can ask me, no problem. And truck has come to the inbound delivery staging area. In the truck, we have one HU. In the one HU, you have two products. And because two products are there, both two products are planning to go to different sections. Triangles will go to one section and black circles go to another section. So there what we have to do is deconsolidation work center, we have to put it into new HU over here, and all circles we have to put it in another HU and moving into high rack in different storage sections, maybe section 001 and section 002. So in this scenario, how system is going to perform the action, how it is going to work. So if you go ahead and see how EWM inbound is going to work, so very important. So this is the scenario. Purchase order will be created in ERP and send the document to vendor, and vendor sends the ASN and it will become an inbound delivery. This inbound delivery same as replicated as an IDN, inbound delivery notification, and IDN will be activated as an ID, and this ID will become a warehouse request, and this warehouse request will be created for tasks only. Based on warehouse request, you can do the goods receipt, you can do the put away of the material. So how it is going to work?
yeah.
So this is basic scenario. Yeah. Any question?
Your transport request is,
Yeah, transfer request is
transfer
ID.
requirement is called as, I'm sorry?
Transfer requirement is ID.
ID, okay.
Yeah.
And what is the transfer order called in EWM?
Warehouse task as well as warehouse order.
Okay, 0 staff or 0 1. Okay.
So you can see my screen now. Okay. This pink color indicates EWM and this color indicates normal ECC system. See, EH5 and EWM. Actually, this is EWM 900. So let me show you inbound process /NVL 31M. And if you see, this is my deconsolidation process of this, and purchase order is this. So in that, let us assume only one material you are receiving, okay? And this should be, this is another scenario which I am explaining you. If you have two materials, one is circles, one is triangles.
Triangles, yeah.
Yeah, here in this case, only one material, but you are receiving this material in the wooden pallets. Wooden pallets are not allowed. Wooden pallet, okay?
Okay.
Wooden pallets not allowed inside the warehouse, but it is allowed in the truck. So what you will need to do is, these wooden pallets you will remove in the deconsolidation work center and put it into plastic pallet. That is the scenario.
Okay.
So save it. So the 9 all zeros 100 should be available in EWM, this HU number. This is your shipping notification and it was distributed to WMS. So if you go ahead and see inbound delivery, this is the ID and transaction, same number 18000261, 18 all zeros 261. See, it is available in EWM system. You can also see the HU number over here, which is created over there. And this is inbound delivery notification. With this same number, the warehouse request or ID also will be created in the PRDI. Select ERP document and then execute. When you execute it, take the goods receipt. You can also see the HU number over here. Okay. HU number. Take the goods receipt and go and see ECC whether it is updated or not. Still not yet updated. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes and check when it is going to update. /n smq2 to see the errors. Okay. Actual GR date was updated. That means GR was done. So you can see the material document over here and HU number over here in the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let me do warehouse tasking process. That means create a task, move it to GR zone, create from dummy door. I said dummy door, but from door to it is going to GR zone, unloading area. And save it. And confirm this task. Without going out of the screen, you can also do the transaction here. So this is my HU number. It is going from door to GR zone. Confirm plus save. And then go ahead and see in the monitor what is happening for the HU. So you can also go from here. And when I confirm to GR zone, there is another task is created to go to deconsolidation bin because it has to be
Change, the pallet has to be changed.
yes palletized with plastic pallet, right?
Yeah.
And then go ahead to the deconsolidation work center. Go to that transaction code is decons handling unit, and this is your work center. Okay, now do the deconsolidation. What you would like to do is take this HU and select the warehouse task. So now put it with the plastic pallet and execute it. Now see 900000100. I would like to change it to plastic pallet. My plastic pallet number range is 1000 all 07. Okay, now just take it and complete my activity. Completed. I mean I packed it again into the plastic pallet. Now if I refresh it, the new number will appear over here. This new number, if I execute, now it is going, there is an open task, it is going to the destination bin. ZDCN01IL to stack. And then confirm in the background. So you put away the material into the destination bin. That is the process of deconsolidation. Yes. What's the question you have?
I do not have any questions. Good.
Okay. That's the demo scenario which I am going to show you. There are a lot of things needs to be considered, a lot of things need to be seen, like stock type, what is the stock type, and why automatic tasks are creating without creating by me, and why it has to go to Decon instead of that it has to go to another work center, why it is going. All the scenarios which we are going to see that in the further classes, and automatic issue creation. All this, okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Good. So do you have any questions? Otherwise we can close.
No questions so far.
I think you are okay in the morning.
This is kind of interesting compared to WM.
Yeah.
Sure. Then when can I get back to the person? Tomorrow, today afternoon?
No. We are going to contact you whether the demo is good or not. Another person is going to ask you.
Okay.
Once you feel that good, and then you can join. Then terms and conditions, each and everything will be told to you.
Sure.
Good. So if there is no question, then I can close this meeting, right?
No, I do not have any questions.
Good.